Local news for Wednesday the 28th of August. The three Wairarapa councils have announced the appointment of Emily Clark to the role of Positive Ageing Strategy Coordinator. Based in Carterton, Emily will work on achieving region-wide goals and objectives of meeting the wellbeing needs of Wairarapa's ageing community, and has a wealth of experience with a previous role as a program coordinator for Age Concern. From challenging people to navigating an obstacle course while distracted to a road safety themed scavenger hunt. Wairarapa students are joining students nationwide this September to highlight important road safety issues. Students taking part in SAD's Safer September campaign hope their activities will influence. National leader and St Matthew's Collegiate student Kitty Riak says she hopes the activities they have planned have a real impact. A privately funded multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art medical facility will open in Greytown towards the end of next year, providing more medical care and specialist services for people in Wairarapa. The purpose-built facility is to be built on an 8,000 square metre commercial site in Bidwell Cuttings Road. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush Club Rugby Finals are being held tonight, sponsored by MoreFM. 14 awards are handed out, including Coach of the Year and the highly sought-after Club of the Year, which sees Puketoi, Martinborough and East Coast all making the finalists. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.